If you're just like me who missed out on making good money from mining the Pi token, then I guess right now you are also trying to find the next big mining app that could deliver a good airdrop. Well, I found one that could actually deliver good money, but it will depend on how dedicated you are, and make sure you watch this video to the very end. What is up, people? My name is Jesse, and if you are new to the channel, welcome to Airdrop Scout. We have set the target of hitting at least $1,000 by the end of 2025 through airdrop farming. So go on and subscribe to the channel to get video guides and updates on airdrop opportunities. Today we'll be looking at the Delta mining app, but before I go on, I need to make something clear. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything is for education and entertainment. The Delta mining app has been out for a little while now, with just 340,000 people mining the Delta tokens, which makes it the perfect time for you to join in on the mining campaign. According to the team, there will be a total of 300 billion tokens, and 180 billion tokens have been set aside just for the mining campaign. So far, 179 billion tokens are yet to be mined. Now imagine if you're able to mine 1 million tokens and the token launches at a very good price. That will be a lot of money. The project is currently building on the internet computer blockchain, and all we need is to download and install the app to mine the Delta tokens. Now, to get started with mining the Delta tokens, I will leave the link to download the app in the video description. So just copy it and enter it in any browser you have, and download and install the app. Now, in case you do not, in case your network or your internet access does not allow you to download the app, because I've noticed that a few internet connections I've used have blocked or have refused to allow me download the app from the link. So just what you do is use a VPN. Once you get to this page, what you do is you enter your country, the country you'll be mining from. I will be mining from Nigeria, so I'll just go ahead and start and search for Nigeria. Now what you do is you will now enter your mobile number, right? So let me see. Now by using your mobile number, they will send you a code, right? Now before they do that, you need to enter your referral code. One thing with Delta is everybody gets rewarded. Everybody gets rewarded for whoever is joining, so nobody can bypass your referral link or your referral code, right? So once you get to this spot, what you do next is enter the my referral code. You can use anybody else's, but here is mine. Let me just call it out so that we'll all enter the code at the same time. So the code is capital B 9, capital C, capital J, capital R, 6, capital E, 7, capital Y, capital N, 3, capital D, capital Q. Now the next step is you select a nickname. So let's say JJ90, and then we enter the next step. Now remember the code, the number the phone number we provided earlier. All these informations will be stored, right? It will be stored in their database. So the next step here is we will get a code they will send to us. Now there are a few options we can use. We can pick from any of these numbers. So let me just go with the first one here. Now this number will send us a code we will use to access the app fully. Now this is the verification string. We will copy this string and then send it to the app either via SMS or via WhatsApp. So I'll just go ahead and I will do this. Now, once it has been confirmed that you sent the string of numbers you copied and sent to that number, you will have the full access to the mining app. Now, as you can see, like I said, there are just 342,255 people currently mining the app. So once you get to this page, what you do next is you hit this button that will get you started with mining the Delta token. It is as simple and as easy as this. Now once you start it, it will take 24 hours for it to mine the full circle, which will give you 5.3 Delta tokens. So currently we'll be mining 5.333 Delta tokens per day. So once it is 24 hours, make sure you log back into the Delta app to restart your mining, the mining process. It's as simple as this. Now remember, for you to get the best airdrop allocation from this project, what you do is you will refer other people. It will be hard for people to join the project without having a referral code. Now the best thing you will do is put yourself forward, or give yourself that boost of putting yourself forward by sharing your referral code, right? So let's just do this and come to, I think you'll find that here at the menu, the menu section. Now this code, this DID, is the code that I just called out that we used to register or to sign up. So once you are referring people to the platform, call out your own number or give them your own code for them to use. Now remember, without somebody else's code, they cannot sign up. So make sure you share your code for them to sign up. To get the best airdrop allocation from the project, all you need to do is refer a lot of people to the mining app. Now remember, nothing in crypto is guaranteed, so make sure you know how to manage your expectations. My name is Jesse, and here is another video that could make you $400 in free crypto.